you're good.
Hi, Zavia here. Today we are going to fly the Zino after updating the firmware last night to the newest firmware. I know some people still are having a little bit of issues. We didn't have any issues with the updating it, so now we're going to fly it and see what happens. My husband is filming and he's using our old trusty Canon. Gosh, I don't even remember what it's called now.
It's like 10 years old, more than that. More than that.
It's a, what you would call a bridge camera. I forgot to charge my Sony, so we are using the Canon.
Okay.
So, we're gonna get everything all set up. I can't see my phone.
Ronan.
Yeah, get shots of the dog.
He's gonna photobomb eventually, I'm sure.
Alright, so now we're binding. Testing GPS.
I don't know. Yeah, I would do a compass calibration since we updated it and didn't do one except in the house.
Alright. And the one thing that I keep forgetting to do that we should be doing
Yes.
every time we turn this on is take the cover off.
You're gonna have to power it down and power back up. Power it down. There you go. Of course. Is the camera pointed at us?
No.
Yeah. Make sure you're gonna have to put like a label on that to remind you, because you're gonna end up burning up that thing. Maybe. You're gonna have to redo that whole thing.
Did it come open? Yeah.
This is like the worst video ever.
Yeah, well,
That's what we do.
I'm still getting used to the process.
Try to unplug it, just plug it in. See if it'll bind. Otherwise you're gonna have to close the app. Yeah. If you make any kind of changes or turn off the drone, you always have to close that app, come back in.
Okay.
Where's the dog? Ronan!
I don't know.
There he is.
You're not paying attention to the dog. Alright, we should do the compass calibration.
Yeah, I would. I think that's a lot of issues people are having too, because it doesn't ask you every time. But I personally would, especially if you change location, do the compass cal.
I just did the gimbal calibration too. Mine's not.
Did the what?
The gimbal.
Okay. Slower and more even.
Really?
Yeah, matters. Is it not going? It took it longer last night too, I remember. It used to calibrate really easy before the firmware.
Why is this taking so long?
lay the thing down.
Not?
Yeah.
And I can't see it.
You should be able to see the lights.
I can't see that on the one to turn it up.
It's not working?
No.
Really?
No.
Problem number one. Go the other way. Nothing?
Nope.
Alright.
Well, that's one of the problems that we're having with the firmware update.
Cannot calibrate the compass. calibrated last night, will not today. Awesome. Alright, we'll come back if and when we get it working.
Right, what are you videoing? The ground.
Okay, so we're back. I had to pull the battery. Once I pulled the battery and restarted the setup, it calibrated. So let's try it again.
Alright, well it's calibrated and ready to go. Let's take off. Holding nice.
Actually, seems like it's holding a little steadier.
Yeah, but it's not windy today either.
No.
Alright. Trying to record video now and it's thinking. There it goes. Time out.
It timed out?
Alright.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. More stable, yeah. Smoother. I can't even see on this. Barely. The screen on this is terrible. No. Not really. I'm just...
Hi, should I go?
That's good. Try the follow me or try the tracking. It's holding rock steady though. Granted, there's maybe 5-mile-an-hour wind gusts, if that. What? It's not following.
Well, it says that after class is on. Try that again.
You're gonna have to turn to face you. See, it's kind of jerking around. Seems like it's less able to fight the wind now. Yeah. And look at it. With no wind, it's rock solid. With the wind, it's kind of herky-jerky. It's not following you? Seriously. Does it see you? What'd you do? It's not following. It started to move. There you go.
There it goes.
Now go back.
Go back where?
Further away, towards your office. Is it following? Keep going. Yeah. Is it tracking something else? It's not tracking. Yeah, I would stay away from this firmware update. It does not seem to be working at all. Plus the smallest gust of wind and the thing just shakes like it's in 20-mile-an-hour winds. And that's the exact thing it was supposed to be fixing. What? Try follow me, just the regular follow me. What?
All I have is the active track.
Alright.
Where you have to slide.
Right. That makes no sense. Did you move it?
I pulled it to orbit.
Okay. Make sure you're high enough. We have some big trees.
Yeah, I just did the default setting.
So orbit works.
That's looking like it, yeah.
Watch out for that tree. Make sure it doesn't look like it's gonna hit it. But it will probably hit this little green one. Alright, so orbit's working. Try to follow me one more time. Point the camera down at you. I don't understand. No, it shouldn't matter. You can get it closer if you want, but it shouldn't matter. And why is follow me out of there? There hasn't been an app update. It turned to look at you.
Yeah, I'm following you going back and forth.
There it goes. Now go backwards.
Go backwards?
That's forward, babe.
Oh, you mean that.
There it goes. No, it tried. There it goes.
Oh, there it is.
It just doesn't seem, it just seems a little more unstable, a little glitchy, not working every time. Go by the Jeep. Yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. You shouldn't that shouldn't be a problem. Yeah, it lost track of you. This firmware update's garbage. If you're gonna do anything other than just fly it. Or orbit, yeah. See, it found you again. It's moving.
Yeah, but I just walked right back out of it.
Yeah. Alright, get out of that. Try panorama.
Let's still fly the sky.
No, hell no. I wouldn't take this any higher than it is. Not with this firmware.
Alright. How fast did we go?
Just normal.
Okay, I'm leaving it default setting.
Okay. Alright, starting panorama. Look at it. A little bit of wind and it's just like, it doesn't know what to do with it. Look at it.
Yeah, and according to the air map, it's only 4 miles per hour wind.
Yeah. That's terrible.
Okay, now it just exited all on its own.
Yeah.
Which is fine, panorama's in the red.
That was the tiniest little bit. Panorama's supposed to be...
No, that's 360 if you go.
Okay. Well, that worked.
Well,
I mean, look at it. You're just turning and it's moving all over the place. Are you doing that?
no.
Alright, alright.
No, I'm flying it forward.
Oh, you're scaring the crap out of me. So what are your final thoughts on this?
It's a little glitchy. Doesn't fly as smooth as before. I mean, it does on the control sticks, but when you watch it move, it's a lot more just kind of jerky. It's not instilling a whole lot of... What are you videoing?
You. See?
It's not instilling a whole lot of trust that I could just like take it on like a long journey, or even go up that high for that matter. So,
yeah. I mean, we took it over that little mountain last time, and it really felt okay.
Yeah.
This time I would really hesitate to take it anywhere, especially in any kind of wind.
Well, I mean, we could try it back over there too.
Screw
if you
that.
wanted.
Maybe.
But anyway, yeah, I don't know. I would say wait on updating until maybe they come out with another one. Those are my final thoughts. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.